Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the city center area of Kamloops, British Columbia, a lively and dynamic part of the city. Located in the heart of Kamloops, the city center is known for its vibrant atmosphere, diverse community, and a wide range of amenities. Kamloops, as a whole, is a city that beautifully blends urban living with stunning natural landscapes. The name Kamloops is derived from the Secwepemc word to Kamloops, which means meeting of the waters, referring to the confluence of the North Thompson and South Thompson rivers. This geographical feature has been a significant part of Kamloops' identity and development, providing beautiful waterfront views. Whether you're exploring the local shops and restaurants, enjoying the cultural events, or heading out for an adventure in the great outdoors, Kamloops is a city that has something for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Kamloops, British Columbia. watching!